Hi everyone, Tom here. I've been playing about with Photoshop's new AI generative fill feature. It's in the beta, not the main Photoshop app just yet. I've been playing about with it. It is absolutely fantastic and I thought I would show you what it can do. Let's get started. We've got a couple of pictures here. First one, picture of my lovely dad with a nice gesture. And we're going to do the select tool on the left. And I was playing about with this and I thought, can we change this to a thumbs up? Let's see if we can. So we select it. We're going to click generative fill. And in here, we're just going to say exactly what we want. So change to thumbs up. And then we're going to click generate and see what Photoshop can do. As you can see, it's quite quick. I don't have the fastest computer, but even so, it's very quick. While this is happening, I'll tell you that the AI feature is based on Firefly, which is AI's answer to these like ChatGPT type AIs. And when you do a generative fill, you get three options or three variations. So we've got this one here. Looks a bit weird. Let's see what the other ones are like. That one's not too bad. Now what happens in Photoshop when you do a generative fill, it creates a new layer on the right here. So we've got generative layer 1. So you can untick the eye to remove it. So that's what it originally looked like. Middle finger. Now let's put it on. I think that's pretty good really. You could do a bit of editing to blend it in. But yeah, quite impressed with that. Let's go to the next picture. So let's see, can we change this coat to a hoodie? So let us do a big select. I was playing with this earlier. The results weren't great, but let's see what we can do. I'm just going to type in change coat to hoodie. Click generate. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, it's very quick. So the AI's detecting what's happening in what you've selected. So hopefully it should detect that this is a coat and it's changed it to a hoodie. Maybe not quite the colour that I was hoping for. You can see here as well, it's changed his neck a little bit and his chin. It's giving him some chin hair. But let's see what the other options are. Yeah, potentially not that great there. Let's do. You can click generate again, and it'll generate some more options. So yeah, so this AI, it's not perfect. I've been seeing some videos posted on YouTube, and I think some people are being quite selective with what they're showing, making it look like it's perfect, and it definitely isn't. That one's not too bad. I'm just a bit concerned that it's putting on his chin hair, putting hair in his chin there, which is a bit weird. But if you ignore the face bit, it's pretty good that it is changing his coat into a hoodie. But yeah, I'll probably say that was a fail. Now this is a better one I was playing about with yesterday. This is a picture that I originally didn't do anything with, mainly because of the people here, and there's a bin, there's some stuff here. I really like the picture of the boat, but yeah, everything else I just didn't like, so I never did anything with this photo when I took it. This is in Croatia, by the way. I took this last October. So what I'm going to do is, instead of using the select tool up here, I'm going to do select subject. That's going to analyze the picture and try and figure out what the subject is, and it's pretty good. It's detected the two people. So let's do a generative fill, and what you can do is you can simply leave this blank and let Adobe's AI simply think what should be here. So let's see what it can do. Very quick, very quick. And it's removed them. And I think you'll agree the results of that are pretty good. You can see there's a little bit of a line here, and there's a little bit of a scuff mark here, and I noticed that. So I thought, okay, let's continue playing. Let's see what else we can do. So first of all, let's see if we can get rid of this bin. So we're not going to say anything. We're just going to click the generate. bin has gone. And if we see if we can zoom in a little bit, as you can see here, it's done a really good job. It's even putting in the like the paving stones. So I think that's really impressive. Let's see if we can take this scuff mark away on the boat here. Generate that. This is a gorgeous boat. So let's just take the last layer away. So see the scuff? Now it's gone. That just looks perfect to me. Now let's see. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get rid of that flag. I think this looks a bit scuffed as well. So let's see. I'm just gonna select it like that. Let's click generate. Let's see what it can do. And then once I've done this last edit, we'll take all of the edits off, so you can see what the image looked like, and then we'll put them on. Oh, there's a little bit of blue stuff here. Looks like it may have copied it from that. So let's do one more actually. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can take this blue stuff away. Look at that, it's gone, brilliant. Right, so let's untick all of these edits then. So this is the original picture. So we've got two people stood in front of the boat. We've got this bin. So let's put the first generative layer on. So the two people go, but we can see there's a bit of a line there and there's a bit of scuff on the boat. Let's put the next edit on. So we've got rid of the bin, which that in itself is a really good edit. Okay, this next layer takes the scuff off the boat. Next layer, we've kind of, let's just toggle that off. So you can see here, like, there's a line that was left when that person was removed. So let's do that one. So you can see here, it's kind of like tidied up the flagstones. It's took that flag off and whatever that little scuff thing was there. But then we've left with this sort of green on the boat here. So let's put the last edit on. And I just think that looks fantastic. It's just such a difference to this picture. And now this picture is something that I could work with, and I would even think about putting this on my website. So very happy with that. That's just absolutely fantastic. And now let's go to this last image. My dad again, my favourite model. His nose is looking a bit red. I may have put a bit too much saturation in this image. But this is in Stockport, and this is one of the famous Stockport frogs. It is basically a trail that you can walk around and you can find all of these different frogs. So let's see, I want the frog in its own without my dad in the picture. Sorry, Dad. So let's do a big select. Make sure we've got all of his hand. Let's do generative fill, leave it blank, just click generate, and let's see what it can do. Let's see if it can remove my dad completely from this picture. It's going to be quite interesting as well because we've got some scuff marks here on the frog. So I'm just wondering whether it will include, I'm not sure about that. It's good, but it looks a bit wonky. Let's see what the variations look like. Yeah, okay, I'm not too sure about that. Let's undo that. Let's have another go. Let's have another go. I know it can do better than this because I had a go earlier and it definitely did do a better job of it. So let's give it another go. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not perfect. And in some scenarios, it's not going to work that well. I've seen videos of people removing reflective glare. Oh, that's not looking too bad. That one's bad. But I think that one doesn't look too bad, to be fair. Yeah, that's not perfect. That isn't the same kind of quality as this one. But yeah, I've seen people removing glare from glasses. So there's a bit, no, there's no glare in that one. But yeah, I've been struggling with doing the glare myself. But yeah, as you can see on the Croatia on the boat picture, we did some pretty good things with that. This tool, googly eyes, yeah. So it's definitely not perfect. It's definitely not the sort of thing that's going to. It's not magic. You're going to be seeing videos on YouTube where people are doing really good edits, but what they're not doing is they're not showing you the hundreds of bad edits that have been done. But it is possible to do some good stuff. So as you can see from this is has made an absolute massive difference. So I think you'll agree. But yeah, just wanted to do a quick video on this new AI that's in the Photoshop beta. It is really good. I'm going to do some more edits and see what else I can do with it. Some interesting stuff. So stay tuned for more videos coming on it. As ever, thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. Bye!